Time story, a life-changing motivational story. In a bustling city, a young woman named Clara was always rushing through her day. She had dreams of becoming an artist, but the constant demands of her job, social life, and daily responsibilities left her with little time to focus on her passion. Every night, she would tell herself, "Tomorrow I'll start." But tomorrow never seemed to come. The hours would slip away, and once again, her dreams were left untouched. One afternoon, while walking through the park to clear her mind, Clara sat on a bench near an old man who appeared to be in his 70s. His name was Eli. He was known for his deep wisdom and calming presence. Clara, feeling particularly frustrated, sighed and said, "I wish there was more time in the day. I can never find enough time to do what I love." Eli smiled softly, looking at her with kind eyes. "Let me tell you a story," he said. "I once knew a man who worked every day, never finding time for anything outside of his obligations. One day, his grandfather gave him an old pocket watch and said, 'This watch doesn't mark the hours, it marks the moment. Don't waste them.'" Clara listened intently as Eli continued. The man, curious about his grandfather's words, started paying closer attention to the moments that made up his day. He began finding joy in small things. The feeling of sunlight in his face, a warm conversation with a friend, or a quiet hour spent with his thoughts. And slowly, he began to realize that time was never the problem. It was how we choose to spend it. Eli paused, looking at Clara, his voice gentle. "You see, Clara, time is not something you can gain more of, but it's something you can choose to live fully. The key is not to wait for the perfect moment, but to make every moment count. Don't wait for tomorrow to live your dream. Start it today, even if it's just for a few minutes. Use these moments wisely, and the time you need will always find its way to you." Clara, deeply moved by Eli's words, thanked him and walked away with a renewed sense of purpose. From that day, he started carving out moments for her art, no longer waiting for tomorrow. As the days passed, she found herself more at peace, as every stroke of her paintbrush became a reminder that she could make time for what truly mattered.